Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. This period of Corona is also a chance to show the world that India is full of potential in terms of healthcare and pharma. Therefore, if we can make necessary action plan in this direction, then it will be a great service. And I would like to say one more thing, especially to my friends from the private sector. Today, our children are going to small countries of the world to study, especially for medical education. They are going despite language related problems. Billions of rupees are going out of the country. Can't our private sector come into this field in large number? Can't our state governments make good policies so as to allocate land for this type of work so that the maximum number of doctors and nurses are produced here itself? Moreover, we can meet the demand of the world. Our doctors have brought a lot of glory to India in the last 4 to 5 decades. Wherever an Indian doctor goes, he wins the heart of that country. The talent of the Indian doctors is praised by the people around the world. This means that our branding has been done. Now we have to give speed to the process of getting the qualified people ready. Similarly, our health insurance scheme is the world's largest. I do not call it a health insurance scheme because it is Ayushman Bharat and it is a kind of assured scheme. The insurance scheme is with the government of India. So, if a poor person comes to your hospital, the payment is going to be made by the government of India. The situation of patients is the reason that they are compelled to avoid the big hospitals because they have lack of money, but the problem of money is no longer because government of India will take care of it. Will my friends from the private sector come forward to develop infrastructure in small cities? Kindly develop special facilities for the patients. You will not have any income related problems. Your investment will get assured return. There are so many schemes, and your partnership in these projects can make the health sector very strong for our country. And you must have seen that our Ayurveda has gained a huge reputation, especially in the period of Corona. The export of the herbal products has increased a lot in the world, that is, the attraction towards it has increased manifold. How can we all take these action plans forward? I would like you to come with an open mind to help prepare India to take the leadership role. Just the figures of the union budget are not going to make any difference. Why did we prepone the budget by a month? It is done so that we have the facility to prepare plans for all the provisions of the budget in the month of February and March, and we are able to implement our new policies from April 1, and we can move towards the maximum outcome in less time. I request all of you to make this discussion extremely today, and I am not in favor of delivering a lengthy speech on behalf of the government because I want to hear from you about your plans. Sometimes certain things are left out for implementation, and for that, the files keep moving for months together. This discussion will not have lacunae, and if there is any, then we will try to minimize it. Your guidance will help us to implement things more easily. Our officers and the systems too will receive good guidance to implement things. Agricultural loans for farmers have also been increased by 2.5 times. We have connected 3 crore small farmers by running a special drive even during the difficult time of Corona. This facility has also been extended to farmers associated with animal husbandry and fisheries. Small farmers are also benefiting from the network of irrigation. As a result of these efforts, farmers are creating record production every year and new records of procurement at MSP are being made. Due to the promotion of organic farming, the market for organic products is now very high. Its exports have also grown. 7 main ways have been suggested in this year's budget to make agriculture modern and smart. The target is to promote natural farming on mission mode within a radius of 5 kilometers on both the banks of the Ganga. Farmers will be provided with modern technology in agriculture and horticulture. In order to reduce the import of edible oil, this year's budget gives special emphasis on strengthening the palm oil. The fourth goal is to provide new arrangements for the transportation of agricultural products. The fifth solution that has been offered in the budget is that waste management of the agriculture will be organized further and the income of farmers will be increased through measures like waste to energy. The sixth solution is that more than 1.5 lakh post offices of the country will get facilities of regular banks so that the farmers do not face any kind of problem. And seventh is that skill development and human resource development will be added in the syllabus related to agricultural education and research, and it will be done according to today's modern times. Health awareness is increasing in the world today. Awareness about an environment friendly lifestyle is increasing. More and more people are getting attracted to it. This means that its market is also growing. We can try to capture the market with the help of natural farming and organic farming. Our universities will have to spread the message of benefits of natural farming to the public, and it has to be done with full force to take the country forward in terms of agriculture and health. We can adopt several villages and take care of them. You can target to introduce the farmers towards natural farming within the next year. The problem is that we do not have that much awareness here, and many people do not even know about it. Stop. ये 1011 शब्द हैं 112 की स्पीड पे 112.